Hey, we're gonna take a look at one of the coolest candies I've ever found. Exploding bonbons. This, I went to the Harry Potter world, or Harry Potter and Universal. Oh wow, they had this candy. I just asked them, what candy you guys recommend? It was like exploding bonbons. It's real. It is a real boom. So orange, pineapple flavored bonbons. So let's take a look at this. So I already ate a lot. Like that, it was good. This is so different. I recommend getting this like crazy. So here, let's take a look at the info. So nutritional facts, etc. Ingredients. Let's take a look. Sugar, white chocolate, milk, milk, soy, Harry Potter, the Wizarding World of Harry Potter, Universal Studios. So yeah, if you guys can find this, get this. It's $10. It was like okay, we'll just try it out. But yeah, it is crazy. Like these things are cool. Okay, so like it is white chocolate on the outside. Take a look at it. Wow, white chocolate. The cool, crazy part is inside it explodes. So inside has pop rocks. That's what makes it so different. So yeah, if you ever have a chance to go find this, try it out. It is so cool. It's pretty good too. Not too sweet. A little more sugar than usual. After a while, you get to the center. There goes the pop rocks. Really cool. Yeah, thanks for watching. Try it out. Look for it. I'll put some links in the description below. If you can, go to Universal and look for this. Thanks.